Welcome to the green heaven in the sky garden of the recycled plastic bottle crew. That's right, vegetables are grown in upside-down plastic bottles. Just look at that, green and space-saving. Neighbors will probably be speechless in awe. And here's the secret to creating a planting medium from old plastic bottles. Just cut off the bottom of the bottle, make a few small holes for drainage, and tie 2 bottles together with string. Oh, and be careful not to cut the bottle that still has soda in it. Otherwise, you'll be thirsty all day. Now for the really cool part, using a plastic welding machine to make holes in the bottle's body. These holes give the plants room to breathe and grow, and they look pretty stylish too. You can tell the garden owner has a great sense of aesthetics. Use hot glue to attach the plastic tube to the bottle. This tube helps guide water, making automatic watering a breeze. No more holding a spray bottle and getting tired. Even gardening needs a bit of tech. Next step, mix the soil and fertilizer. This ensures the plants grow quickly and healthily. If you want to be the king of gardening in your neighborhood, just remember this little trick. Now pour the soil into the plastic bottles. It's super easy and convenient. If you thought gardening was hard, think again. With just plastic bottles, soil, and a little effort, you've got yourself a hanging garden. Let's plant some sprouts in those plastic bottles. Plant them neatly and in rows so when guests come over, they'll be amazed. Wow, vegetables can look this good. Add a few more sprouts to the bottles. More veggies, more green, more eye candy. Here comes the more technical part. Connect the plastic bottles with the water tubes. Looks simple, but this is quite fancy. Trust me. Once you've got it all set up, the automatic watering system will save you from daily watering chores. Use string to secure the water tube. Make sure it doesn't fall off when the wind blows. Use a hot iron to make 2 holes in the water pipe. Then use a piece of wool fabric to pass through the hole you just made. The fabric will help to slowly conduct water while still ensuring the amount of water for the plant during the day. Pour water into the water bottle. Thanks to this automatic irrigation system, you can sip your coffee while your garden is taken care of. Don't forget to fertilize the plants. Fertilize once a week and your plants will be lush, green, and continuously providing veggies. Here's a close-up of those vibrant sprouts. Growing vegetables in upside-down plastic bottles not only saves space, but also makes your little garden look lush like a tropical rainforest. Dilute the fertilizer and pour it into the water bottle to nourish the plants. It looks simple, but this is the secret to outstanding plant growth, and it's not something you come by every day. The plants have grown well, so it's time to harvest. No need to go to the market, just open your window and you've got a clean veggie garden ready for your family meals. And that's it. We've completed everything, so now enjoy the harvest of fresh vegetables and savor your hard-earned results. If you found this interesting, make sure to follow the channel for more exciting DIY projects.